Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today. We're here to talk about Inés Rosales, our company, our products, our history, really what we stand for. So Inés Rosales' history starts in 1910 when a lady by the name of Inés Rosales founded our company. She was smart enough and brave enough to turn her story, her life story, into one of entrepreneurship at a time in which entrepreneurship didn't really exist. Just think about 1910 Spain. Circumstances were really different back then, and she decided to take a family recipe and start commercializing it at a train station in Sevilla. That recipe was the same original recipe we still commercialize today, our olive oil tortas. So she would take these tortas in a wicker basket and would go to the train station, where travelers really started liking the product, buying the product, and bring the product to their homes, oftentimes miles away from when they were buying the products. So the product suddenly started traveling, became known. She was soon enough hiring neighbors to help her out in her little bakery, and to this day is a staple here in Spain, and it's sold in over 30 countries. Let's talk about our mini tortas. We launched them in the spring of 2019. They're a unique cracker. Both flavors stem from the Spanish tradition. You have the original flavor, which has the same ingredients as our original torta, our staple. We also have our manchego cheese flavor mini tortas. Manchego cheese, at the end of the day, is true Spanish heritage. We only use Mediterranean diet ingredients. They are also sourced in the area. And overall, they make for a unique and delicious cracker. Very tasty, very light. It's great paired with cheese. For example, we have here some original mini tortas with feta and blueberries. But we've also decided to create a savory charcuterie board. Here you have some dark pate with manchego mini tortas, some chorizo, some Iberico ham, some salami. Even they're great for dessert or like breakfast snack. And here you can see, for example, some fig jam, some yogurt, blueberries, and pecans, and our original mini torta. It's just delicious. Attributes of the products, they are 100% natural. They are both non-GMO certified, and in the case of the original mini tortas, they are also plant-based. So the size also makes them easily merchandisable. From a price perspective, they're approachable. It's overall a great addition to your specialty cheese counter. You'll be adding some Spanish flair to it, and I'm sure your customers will be appreciating it.